If your Koorui monitor suddenly isn't playing any sound, don't panic. Your monitor is probably not broken. In fact, the real reason is something most people don't realize. Many Koorui monitors don't come with built-in speakers at all. Even if you see a 3.5mm audio jack on the back, that doesn't mean it can produce sound by itself. A quick way to confirm this is to look for speaker grills or volume buttons on the monitor. If there are none, that means the monitor simply can't output audio on its own. The audio jack you see is actually an audio out port, not an internal speaker. Its job is to pass sound through from your HDMI or DisplayPort connection to something else, like external speakers or headphones. So here's how to fix the no sound problem quickly. First, connect a pair of powered speakers or any standard headset to the monitor's 3.5mm audio output. Use a regular AUX cable and plug one end into the monitor and the other into your external device. Since the monitor can't amplify sound, the external speakers or headset must be powered or able to play audio on their own. Next, make sure your computer is sending audio to the right device. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, open sound settings, and select the correct output. For Koorui monitors, this is usually your HDMI or DisplayPort connection. Once selected, your audio will pass through the monitor and into the speakers or headphones you connected. After that, everything should work smoothly. You'll finally get clear sound for your games, videos, or music, just as expected. And that's it. A simple misunderstanding, but an easy fix. If this helped you out, keep exploring and learning. You'll avoid a lot of setup headaches in the future.